Hello everyone, welcome back to Aiforalllevels YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore functions in Python. Let's dive in. Functions are essential for organizing your code and making it more reusable. Functions are defined using the def keyword followed by the function name and parentheses. You can also include parameters inside the parentheses. Once a function is defined, you can call it by its name and pass the required arguments. Functions can return values using the return statement. This is useful when you need to get a result from a function. You can provide default values for function parameters. If no argument is provided, the default value is used. When calling functions, you can use keyword arguments to make your code more readable and to pass arguments in any order. Sometimes you may not know in advance how many arguments a function needs to accept. In such cases, you can use args for non-keyword variable range arguments and keywords for keyword variable range arguments. You can add a docstring to your function to describe what it does. This is a good practice for making your code more understandable. Lambda functions are small anonymous functions defined using the Lambda keyword. They can have any number of arguments but only one expression. A function can call itself. This is known as recursion. It's useful for problems that can be broken down into smaller, similar problems. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Aiforalllevels YouTube channel.